All right, welcome back. We still get the award-winning Asaf inside the studio, plus including Udwak. Both of them are directors, yes. Yeah. We get them inside the studio.
I'll soon win my own award.
Very soon.
Yes, coming soon.
That is it. You need to stay positive.
Yeah. Exactly.
Now, before we actually go into it, we carry come inside. What do you think about depression? Because we don't see a lot of men, even married men, single men, women being depressed. What do you think about depression and how you feel, say, in your own personal way, how you feel the person feel actually manage depression?
Depression. You know, also, when they say, we talk about this topic, because, you know, say, I go like talk about them as a man.
Yes, please.
You see, for this, our Africa, especially for Nigeria, if you be boy, right, your parents don't train you, your mama don't train you, say, men, no, they cry. Men, guys, get strong mind. Men, guys, you know, get power, everything, you know, and like that, you're going to bottle up too many emotions on the inside, you know, and all of those things. You get one point where you just see, not like balloon, you pour water inside the balloon. You go reach one time, you go reach, what do they call elastic limit, you go burst. It happen like that. So, now what's happen to depression, especially to men? So, waiting me feel, find someone to talk to.
Very important. Find
someone to talk to. You will get one best friend. If you be your wife, in fact, your best friend if you be your wife, or you supposed to get guys, or if you say, when I'll sit down like this, when I'll yarn on our mind, talk on our mind, just let some things off your chest. If that one no day, find your pastor, find your imam, find somebody, talk to somebody, and people with there around you. If you notice, say, one of your party or one of your friend, you get some kind, one moment you go be happy, another moment you go just be inside and share, no, find out what's in there.
Yeah, make I talk to you as well. Now, what do you think about people where they get the notion, say, Nigerians, not they get depressed?
Nigeria, we're all human. So Nigerians too, they get depression, which is normal. It's a general phenomenon, you understand? So either you're in Nigeria, Kenya, anywhere where you did, if you find yourself in that situation, you go day depressed. If I'm to advise, I would just say, do everything possible, make you spoil yourself for that moment. Like me, that's what I do normally. The best thing that you think, say, you feel do, where you go wish anybody to do to you in your best moment. Say, okay, like me now, I like shop, eja, real fish, and fried yam, with cocktail. Even if that thing, I don't feel like eating at that moment, but the first day I just want to make I feel important to myself. Life na jeje. You understand? At least spoil yourself for that moment. If you can share it with your friend, share with your friend and get over the mood.
All right, now, according to research, a talk saying men, they depressed even more than women, funny enough.
Yes.
And even they higher for men because from depression, they fit take their life. But for women, before they even take their life, they will consider, okay, how my children go and take care of themselves, how my parents will actually view them, how my husband. But for the men, they will just say, okay, the woman is there to take care of the children, and the family, they'll take care of, and so let me just take my life. So that's now why they actually come up with the conclusion, say men, they actually get depressed, and this depression, they lead to suicide more than women. But now we don't bring out 4 ways on how you could take actually overcome depression without taking medicine. I don't say medicine day, but 4 ways where if you actually overcome depression. Number 1, they say make you sleep. Sleep well. Just relax your mind and body because our mind, they work 24/7. Just relax them and sleep. Enjoy your sleep. I feel actually relate to this one because every time I did depressed, I don't feel sleep for night. And in the morning, I did very, very sad. And also, I always get headache. But once I sleep, I don't know the kind of happiness where they actually come when I wake up. So they actually work for me. I don't know about, they work for you too?
But you know how they sleep well.
You're not sleepy. See, not sleepy.
You know how they sleep well. And hardly for me to say, okay, I did depressed. Very, very
difficult.
They work
for you. So you're going to sleep. Now, number 2, they say forgiveness. Forgive yourself. Forgive people where don't hurt you. Forgive yourself. Yes, we understand, say, all of us, we get our own issues. We understand, say, all of us, we get our own maybe family background or family palaver. But forgive your family, forgive people where don't hurt you, and forgive yourself and move on. That's now one of the ways where if you actually overcome depression without taking pills. And you need to be grateful. For the little way you get, just be grateful. Not go they look down, go to say, why Dangote get 20 cars with me and not even get anyone? Oh, why Betiana get Brazilian hair? Why she actually fits this kind of hair when me and not even fits Didi? So not look anybody. Just be grateful for the little way you get. And the last one, you need friends around you. That's not why I like when I talk to people.
Yeah.
People will not they talk to another person because they do not get any reliable person around to talk to. But you need people around you. You just really need them. So I beg. Once you just notice that you don't think too much, sleep, talk to person, and also which one I actually been come out.
Just if it was just waka go where crowd they just go.
Be grateful too.
Tell somebody I'm about to do something. Somebody will hold you.
And that's another thing again. That's another thing again. We they say I'm as taboo now. I don't know how we fit actually vindicate ourselves for this particular one, or think say we're not there inside them. But I know say one of us, maybe one time in our life, person don't commit us or say, Skimpy, I want to take my life. Oh. You just kill logo to say, I beg, kill yourself.
Kill yourself.
Go chop rice.
Person like
but
me,
you know they actually
take
into cognizance, like, this person really mean more. Make I sit the person down.
I don't experience answer for secondary school before. Person come to me and say, Uduak, you. I just want to die now. I say, guy. Die now. And true.
Yes,
at that point, because you never understand anything.
I know.
But
now it's different, so I beg. If person come me to say one die, sit the person down, talk to the person.
So waiting with the try talk now, be say pay attention to little details. Person no feel no just waka come meet you, can't tell you I say I won't kill myself. Person feel just look you tell you say life don't tire me. So for that kind of person, try talk with the person, see if in any way you feel bring the person down.
Oh, I'm not tell us about this movie before we come up for Inside the Studio. What is this movie all about?
All right. The title of the movie is Just Not Married.
Okay, now marriage, person married, person divorced. Is that what it's all about?
Mba, no.
Oh, really?
Not at all. Just Not Married. Now the story of people like us, young people,
guys,
hustle story. I don't want to talk too much because
hustle story. Person not married inside.
Nobody married.
I see the notes.
I like this. This is different.
Nobody
married inside the home matter.
Nobody married.
So when it's just not married.
That's why you need to watch.
And they don't hurry anybody to marry. You know, say parents go say, when are you giving me a grandchild? Oh, they're for me long.
You're not there inside.
You're not there. You're not there.
There is a difference here.
Finally.
But if you want to know what happened for the movie on the 13th of May.
Okay.
In all the cinemas across Nigeria, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Benin, Warri, anywhere with cinema day, go watch the film.
13th of May.
Yes.
So if you watch them for Inside Cinema.
Yes.
So when are the premiere?
The premiere are very exclusive premiere.
Okay, exclusive. Yes,
premiere.
we are the exclusive people. All right, make sure say you actually go watch Just Not Married. They say not there about marriage, oh. You can imagine. Saying about young people like us and the struggle.
Where they hustle.
You can imagine. Very nice one. Thank you so much. You actually entered our studio. And the one following you on top Twitter, Instagram.
Okay, to follow me on top Twitter now at Uduakp, UDUAQP. For Instagram now I am _Uduak, the same UDUAQ. On Facebook now my full name Uduak Obong Patrick. If you search him, now the first name where you go see.
Uduak Obong
Patrick. The award-winning extraordinaire.
To follow me on top Twitter, Asof100, Asof100. On Instagram, I am Asof.
I bet spell the Asof.
ASURF for food.
Okay.
All right, follow
the name there everywhere.
You're not the Instagram.
I did Instagram. I am Asof.
I better follow him, please. Follow him, and you have to be there on the 13th. I'll go and watch this movie, Just Not Married. All right, thank you so much, and wishing all the best for the movie industry. All right, ladies, it's time for us to leave. As they always talk.
To talk not be bad thing, but make you know what they talk about.
To talk not be bad thing.
Now, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.